Hey, what's up everybody? Now hopefully everybody's having a great time. It's your boy @gaming.com, and if you're new to my channel guys, I would like you to kill mode and smash that subscribe button right about now. Okay guys, so I bring to you today a brand new tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can install Termux on your Android non-rooted smartphones. Okay, so you wanna browse to Google Play Store, and you wanna search for Termux. Okay, and this is the first one, and it's around 17 to 18 MB in size. All you gotta do is to hit install. Okay, and you're gonna wait for it to download. Alright, so after it has downloaded, all you gotta do is to click the open button, and you'll probably see installing, and boom, here you should see something like this. Okay, you should see something like this, and it's gonna tell you to display or not. Okay, so here guys, what you're gonna need to do, let's see, I'm gonna do this. I'll reopen this, and yeah, so first of all guys, we'll need to update it. Okay, so we'll have to update and upgrade. Okay, so first of all guys, we gonna need to do apt update and upgrade. Okay, so basically guys, apt get updates, it's gonna get all the updates which is available. Okay, and the apt get upgrade is actually installs newer versions of the packages that you have. And okay, so let's do that. So you're gonna type in apt update, this, okay, apt space update space, and then the upgrade, apt upgrade, and all you gotta do is to hit enter. Okay, so and boom guys, so as you can see, this all depends on your internet connection as well. And here, if you get this, all you gotta do is to type the letter Y and hit enter once again, and this should update and install. Okay, so all you gotta do is to wait. And yeah guys, if you really appreciate this kind of hacking videos, and please like, share, comment. Okay, okay, so as you can see, it's installing every files. Okay, so if you get this like this, all you gotta do is to hit clear after, and don't worry about any errors, just hit clear. Okay, and now guys, we'll have to install the install the apt install git. Okay, what does apt install git will do? It will allows you to track any changes of codes that you make. Okay, it's gonna allows you to track your changes in codes and revert to any other previous stages and create branches. Okay, so you're gonna type in apt install git and hit enter, hit type Y and hit enter once again. Okay, and it's gonna unpack. As you can see, it's finished. All you have is to hit clear. You have to type in clear. And now guys, the last step is we need to set up the Termux storage. Okay, so to set up the Termux setup storage, by executing the Termux setup storage, this will ensure that the permission shared to any storage is granted to Termux while running on Android 6.0 or later version of Androids. Okay, and it also creates, if there's an SD card on your phone, it's also gonna create a private app folder. Okay, the folder, hence the folder will be in the name of $home. Okay, so to install this, to set up the Termux storage, all you gotta do is to write Termux hyphen setup hyphen storage, and you're gonna hit this, enter, and you're gonna allow permission. Okay, once you hit allow permission, now you can list, you can do cd. Okay, so you're gonna type ls for list, and as you can see storage, so you're gonna do cd storage, and just hit enter, just hit ls, and as you can see, it's gonna list all the DCIM external music shared downloads, movies, pictures. Okay, that's on your internal phone. Okay, that's on your Android phone, the storage. So here you can do like CD downloads, and then ls, and it's gonna show everything on your mobile. Here all the, as you can see, all the all the files on my phone. Okay, which is stored in the download. All right, so to clear this, just hit clear. All right, and now guys, for the bonus part, I would like to show you something. Okay, so you have to do apt install 꽂matrix. Okay, apt space install space 꽂matrix. So what will this 꽂matrix does, guys? The 꽂matrix is basically, it's based on a screensaver from the Matrix website, and it shows a bunch of text flying in and out in a terminal. Okay, like as seen in the movie picture. Okay, in the movie Matrix picture. So all you gotta do is to hit this, and it's gonna install it. Okay, it's about it's gonna install, and after it has installed, and here all you gotta do is to type in 꽂matrix. Okay, and hit enter, and as you can see, guys, you'll see this. Just as I said, it's just a screensaver with a bunch of lines flying in and out. Okay, you don't need to worry about anything. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Alright guys, so that was it. I I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. This is your boy ɪ'ʟʟ, and you may register on my forum, which is ɪ'ʟʟ, and register and you will get free premium for lifetime. Okay, and yeah, guys, if you do love Termux more videos, then leave me a comment down below and I'll do another video on Termux. Okay, my next video on Termux will be how do we install Python and how do we get HQ combo list on Termux. All right, so yeah, please subscribe and thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.